Alright, we're going to go over the Jimenez. It's the model JA 380, but this would also be the model JA 32 and the model JA 22, I believe. You've got the 22 long rifle, the 32, and the 380. They all disassemble the same way. Alright, we've already cleared. Nothing down in the chamber, nothing in the magazine well. This firearm. This one is a little tricky to disassemble. If you see this little piece back here, inside there's actually a little part that clips on into here. So basically we've got to push this back to release that clip so we can pull it up. I think they do make a little tool they send with it. I can't remember. But I take a flathead screwdriver, I push this back, and as I push up, it just comes up. You see that little clip I released right there? Now it will just come off. Give it some wiggle, push toward the back, and it will come apart. Now this is a fixed barrel. We're going to set it to the side. The spring, if you saw, it just popped out. It is just a spring. There is no rod to this one. And with this one now, on this model in particular, you can pull this part out, and then you can actually sit your screwdriver down in and pull your firing pin out as well. Now with this model, one of the things that happens a lot is this is a chamber indicator. By no means do you actually have to have this for the gun to operate, because these tend to pop off a lot. But all it does is it just slips right back on there. Probably super glue it on would probably help a lot. Now that's fully disassembled to clean. This is how you want to clean your firearm. Now to put it back together, we're going to go the exact opposite. You see I put my little orange tab back on. Now I'm going to slide it down the back where that is the actual firing pin where it seats, and I put the spring down in there as well. Now it has this little, this is what actually holds the gun together. So the actual indentation right here goes toward the back, and it really only goes one way, and it's going to sit just like that. Now the spring, if you look at the front, you've got that hole down in there. It's easier if you put the spring down that way. Now we're going to go ahead and start assembling it this way. We're going to kind of push it down. Now it's not going to go anywhere until we get this clip pushed forward. Once we get that clip pushed down in and forward, it will seat right down on it. Now we're going to rack it, lock it, fire it, rack it, lock it, fire it, and it is fully assembled, ready to go. Thanks for checking out our video. If you're local to the Anderson, South Carolina area, we teach concealed weapons classes on a monthly basis. Check us out at www.defensetraining.org. If you're not local to us, we also make holsters. defensetraining.org/holsters. We make ambidextrous in the waistband holsters at this point. Check us out, and thanks for watching.